Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the taskbar is unclickable, means you click anything on the taskbar, it doesn't do anything and it's kind of stuck, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first option is obviously to restart your computer. Since you cannot do it easily, all you need to do is press Alt plus F4. Okay, and after pressing Alt plus F4, you can select the option for restart and then click on OK. Okay, so this is one thing. After that, you can restart the file explorer. Now, how would you restart the file explorer? So I'll show you. I can open the task manager by right clicking and coming here. But if it doesn't work, then you can simply press Ctrl Alt and delete and then select task manager. Now, if you have opened the task manager, then the task manager process will be here and the Windows Explorer process will be here. The taskbar is a subset of the Windows Explorer process, so simply right click on it and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, or obviously if it doesn't work here, then press Windows plus R, type CMD, press shift and then hit enter to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is to update the graphics card drivers. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button if you can, select device manager, or press the Windows key and the R key together. I mean, if the start button is not working either. Type devmgmt.msc and hit enter. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the display adapter and update it. And again, restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.